All right, so let's take a look at number 4. Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word Honolulu. If the vowels have to be kept together, if the consonants have to be together, if the vowels and the consonants have to be together, and if they alternate. So let's take a look at all of those scenarios. All right, so here's the word Honolulu. The first one is if the vowels have to be kept together. So I'm going to put O, O, U in a box, but H, N, L, L are in boxes by themselves because they do not have to stay together. They can be anywhere. So let's first figure out how many ways I can arrange these 4. Well, there's 4 things, but I have 2 O's and 2 V's, so 2 U's, sorry. So I have to divide those out. And now that I figured out how many ways I can arrange this box, this is just kind of like a black box. I can just think of it now like that. And how many ways can I arrange this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things? So that's 5 factorial, but I have 2 L's, so that's 2 factorial. So you're going to go to your calculator, and you're going to go 4 factorial. Whoops. I'm sorry, 4 factorial times 5 factorial. And I'm going to divide that by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. But that's the same thing as saying 2 times 2 times 2. And I have to put that in parentheses. And I'm going to get 360. Now, how many ways can I do it so that now the consonants are going to be together? So now I have H, N, L, L have to be together. And then I have O, O, U, U. And they're going to be in their own little individual boxes because they do not have to be together. So this will be 4 factorial over 2 factorial because I have 4 things but 2 L's. Now this becomes my little black box. And how many ways can I arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things? But I have 2 O's and 2 U's. So you can see this is exactly the same setup that we had last time. So we know that this is also going to come out to 360. And what about if the vowels and the consonants alternate? What if the vowels and the consonants have to be together? So that means I'm going to have H, N, L, L in a box. And I'm going to have O, O, U, U in a box. All right, so this one here would be 4 factorial over 2 factorial because I have 4 things and 2 L's. And this one here would be 4 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial because I have 2 O's and 2 U's. But then, now I've arranged each box. But now how many ways can I arrange the 2 boxes? Well, this way or this way. So times 2 or 2 factorial. So these 2 factorials will simply cancel out. So I'm going to have 4 factorial times 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So 4 factorial, and I'm going to divide that by 2 factorial, which is 4. And I'm going to get 144 ways. All right, and on the last one, how many ways if the vowels and the consonants must alternate? So now we're going to have vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Or it could be consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. So I could have either scenario here. So if I pick from a vowel, I have 4 to pick from. So, and then I would have 3 to pick from, and then 2 to pick from, and then 1 to pick from. So this would be 4 factorial. And my consonants would be 4 factorial. But remember, I have to divide out my repeats. So I'm going to have 2 O's, 2 L's, and 2 U's. But I can have this scenario or this scenario. So I have to multiply by 2 factorial to take into consideration that it could be vowel consonant or consonant vowel. And once again, these 2 will cancel out. We've already done this, so we know it'll be 144.